To add Google Authenticator to MEXC Global, start by opening the App Store and clicking on the search button. Type in MEXC in the search bar, and select the MEXC Buy and Sell Bitcoin option to download the app. Once downloaded, exit the App Store and locate the installed app on your device. Open the app and navigate to the bottom row, where you'll find options such as Home, Markets, Trade, and Futures, as well as your wallets. Click on your profile icon at the top left to log in using your email and password. After logging in, go to the Security settings, where you'll find the option to connect Google Authenticator. Click on this option, and you'll be prompted to download Google Authenticator if you haven't already. Follow the prompts to complete the connection. This process allows you to add an extra layer of security to your MEXC Global account.